Hello everybody, this is Nicholas Gonzalez. I'm here with a feature document video. Today we're going to be talking about SPRS-24. This is the user story where we add controller control to the Python client, so the user should be able to control the Python client using controller to control the game and the game HUD. So acceptance criteria, we have all the functions are mapped out to some type of gamepad input, and we can switch between code mode and controller mode. All right, so currently we already all of our functions are just callable by like text, and this story makes them callable also by controller. Okay, so sequence, any type of input we want, it should be able to call any of our functions, and the function will be called in the pawn itself. Class diagram is pretty simple. Here I have all the different test cases because I test case for each different input we're gonna do. All right, so it's easier to see it down here. We're gonna have reverse, we're gonna have reset, we're gonna have steering, we're gonna have code mode, which is just between controller and code mode, throttle, toggle cameras, and handbrake. So why don't we take a look a little bit at the code itself. Client. Okay. So here we have a controller mode, define a controller mode, and these are like handling all the different types of inputs, and I map it to, use the function. So for example, if you use button south, which is the X button on the PlayStation, it's going to turn on the brake on and off based on the state. Or something like this one. This is for the right trigger, and if you click it, you get the throttle, and it does it based on how strong how strong I guess you are with the throttle. So you can slightly touch the trigger and it'll only go slightly fast. If you go all the way down, it's going to go full speed. Right down here is the code mode. So this is kind of already existed, but I added a little bit more of a user guide there, I guess. I also had a little test script for us to test out the actual code. But really, we're going to be testing out the gamepad, so why don't we give it a go right now. Alright, 1 second. I need to connect my Python client. Alright, my Python client is connected. Let's try it out. So first I'm going to do throttle. So there's throttle, going straight, no problem. Okay, let's do, so steering, left, right, that's good. Alright, let's do reverse. There's reverse. You can see in the gears that I'm actually reversing down there. Let's do the handbrake, so I'm going to power slide. That's the handbrake right there. Toggling on and off the cameras. There you go. You can see how much it actually helps the frame rate as well, turning them off. Alrighty, and what else? Reset. There's reset. Reconnected, no problem. Beautiful. Alright, last one is to go to code mode. So let me bring out the Python client so we can see both of these in action. Okay, so you can see I'm still in controller mode right now. I could still drive around if I wanted to. Alright, but now I'm going to click the start button and I'm going to change. Oh, wrong button, sorry. There you go. Now you see, now I'm in code mode. Enter the code mode, and I'll run my little test script just so we can make sure we can work in both. There you go, it's running all different tests. Alright guys, well that's everything. Now we have, we can control our simulation through a controller, which is, a lot better than using the keyboard or something. So, thank you guys for watching.